Hey guys, welcome to Sindhujan Vlogs. We are starting a new series. It's a cooking series, and the first episode is about making chicken biryani. My favorite dish and one of the easiest to make. So you are looking at the grocery list now. You will get most of these items in the local supermarket or the Asian store. First step, let's prepare for cooking. Wash 2 kgs of biryani cut chicken with turmeric. Soak 4 cups of basmati rice for 20 minutes. Cut 3 large onions and 3 shallots into small pieces. Chop 3 tomatoes into small pieces. Cut mint and coriander. Slice 6 green chilies vertically. Ready all the spices as shown. Add 2 cups of curd to 2 kg chicken. Add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Add 4 teaspoons of garam masala. Add 2 teaspoons chili powder and 2 teaspoons Kashmiri chili powder. Add salt for marination. Now I have mixed it and we need to marinate it for 45 to 60 minutes. Once everything is ready, let's cook. Add 6 tablespoons of ghee and 2 tablespoons oil. Once the oil is hot, add the spices. Saute at the medium heat. Saute till you start to smell the aroma of spices. Add onions. Add chilies. Saute at medium heat until onion turns golden brown. Add tomatoes and cook at medium heat. Cook tomato until it melts to paste and then add the marinated chicken to the pan. Mix well. Cook in medium heat until chicken is half cooked, around 15 minutes. Add the soaked basmati rice. Add 1.5 cup of hot water for 1 cup of rice. We are adding 6 cups. Add mint and the coriander leaves. Mix them well. Add salt for taste. Mix them. Cook with the lid closed at medium heat until the water evaporates. Avoid cooking at high heat, it will burn the bottom layer. Once the rice is cooked, enjoy the biryani. Let me know how it tastes. Thanks for watching.